Okay fellows, as you can see, something is happening, that we're getting the tools for the repair like that, and let's attempt to repair, I think. And okay, probably it was the switch fold here. Okay, that this one is disassembled. Nice. Okay, it's just not working. What we have here? Okay, mono molds. What we have, for example, here? Nothing. One here. Nothing. Okay, let's try to press the switch, and we don't have any voltage going out here. Yep. Okay, after some testing, the switch probably is good, but the MOSFET of the switch is bad. So, and I check it, I don't have the same MOSFET, but I have the used switch, so I will use the used switch, and then I think I will leave this switch or throw it out, or maybe I will change the MOSFET, because it's interesting to test it and see if I was right or not. I will see about that. Okay, now we want to put the tool to the working order, and the spare switch is really good thing to have. Okay, I need to put some brushes in. Okay, it looks that we have the tool assembled. Okay, it wants to work, so I will close the housing to check it. And let's check it, it's not closing good here. Okay, now it's closed good. Okay. We have it working, so yeah, that was definitely the switch problem. The customer was right by checking it with the MOSFET. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth to repair it, to change it. I will think about that. For you, thank you for watching and waiting you in my next video. Bye.